AI systems automate repetitive tasks, process large datasets, and perform complex calculations with speed and accuracy. AI's automation capabilities increase efficiency and productivity across various industries. The automation process involves algorithms that learn and adapt to optimize task performance. Human skills like creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and complex problem-solving are difficult for AI to replicate. Creativity involves generating novel and valuable ideas, essential for innovation and differentiation. Critical thinking involves analyzing information objectively and forming reasoned judgments, crucial for nuanced decision-making. Emotional intelligence involves understanding and managing emotions, enabling effective communication and collaboration. Complex problem-solving involves identifying and resolving multifaceted issues, requiring adaptability and strategic thinking. AI automation leads to potential job displacement in sectors reliant on routine tasks. New job roles emerge in AI development, maintenance, and data analysis. The evolving job market also creates opportunities in AI ethics and governance. The job market is undergoing a transformation due to the integration of artificial intelligence. Education and reskilling programs are essential for preparing the workforce for the evolving AI-driven economy. Adapting to new roles and acquiring AI-related skills are crucial for individuals in the modern workforce. Continuous learning and adaptation are necessary to thrive in the rapidly changing landscape of the AI era.